In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file upload field to Wix Forms. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be set up to receive files through your website. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Wix account by going to wix.com. Once logged in, navigate to your specific website and click on Edit Site. Now open the page where you have your form or where you'd like to add a new one. Here's a tip. If you're creating a new form, consider using the Wix Forms app for greater ease and customization. Next, let's focus on adding or selecting a form. If you already have a form on your page, click the form box, then form settings to adjust as needed. If you're starting fresh, click on the Add Elements icon from the left-hand toolbar. From there, choose Contact and Forms and select Wix Forms. Simply drag and drop your desired form layout like a contact or application form onto your page. Now onto the main task, adding that file upload field. Click on your form and select Add New Field. Scroll through the list and choose Upload button. You'll notice an Upload File button appear on your form. You can then drag and position this button to wherever you'd prefer on the form. With this in place, your visitors will be able to attach files before hitting Submit. For the next step, customization is key. Click the Upload button, then go to Settings. Here, you can tweak several features. The label text could be altered to something like Upload Resume or Attach File, and you can set the maximum file size, which is set to 15 MB by default. You can also define which file types are allowed, such as documents, images, audio, and video files. If you want to limit the types further, just type the extensions manually. Let's talk about reviewing upload settings. Uploaded files are automatically stored in your Wix dashboard under Content Manager and can also be saved in the Wix Media Manager. You're free to access and download these files at any time. If you've set up email notifications through automations, the files can also be sent to you this way. To receive files directly via email when someone submits the form, ensure your email notifications are active. Head over to your dashboard, then navigate to Forms, followed by Form Settings and Email Notifications. Ensure that Send Email Notifications is toggled on and customize the message to include the file upload field. Next, you must test the file upload feature to ensure everything works seamlessly. Click Preview, complete the form, and upload a test file. Afterwards, check your dashboard for submissions and confirm via email whether the uploaded file link is present. Lastly, test on mobile, switch to mobile view, and make necessary adjustments to the upload field for smaller screens. Try submitting a file from your phone to ensure it all runs smoothly. Once you're confident everything looks right and functions as intended, click Publish to make your site live. Congratulations! Visitors can now upload and submit files directly through your Wix website, enhancing the functionality and interactivity of your site.